several key factors that explain the drastic effects of the ketogenic diet on markers of metabolic disease. These include fewer carbs. A high-carb diet can constantly elevate blood sugar and insulin levels, which can lead to poor cell function and damage over time. 36 Trusted source. Decreased insulin resistance. Insulin resistance can cause health issues like inflammation, high triglyceride levels and fat gain. 42 Trusted source. Healthy fats. The additional healthy fats you eat while on a ketogenic diet can help improve good HDL cholesterol levels. 43 Trusted source. Ketone bodies. Ketone bodies have some surprising benefits for health, including diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's and epilepsy. 44 Trusted source. 45 Trusted source. 46 Trusted source. Inflammation. The ketogenic diet can drastically reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to metabolic syndrome and various diseases. 46 Trusted source. 47 Trusted source. 48 Trusted source. 49 Trusted source. Fat loss. This diet promotes the loss of body fat, especially unhealthy abdominal fat. Excess fat in the abdominal area is disastrous for metabolic health. 50 Trusted source. Additionally, ketogenic diets may help restore normal insulin function. Research has shown that healthy insulin function can fight inflammation, while poor insulin function can increase it. 51 Trusted source. As you can see, the combination of these factors plays a rather remarkable and important role in health and protection against disease. Bottom line, ketogenic diets may improve metabolic health by improving insulin function, lowering inflammation and promoting fat loss, among others. How to follow a ketogenic diet. If you want to try a ketogenic diet, follow these basic rules. Eliminate carbs, check food labels, and aim for 30 grams of carbs or fewer per day. Stock up on staples. Buy meat, cheese, whole eggs, nuts, oils, avocados, oily fish and cream, as these are now staples in your diet. Eat your veggies. Fat sources are high in calories, so base each meal on low-carb veggies to fill your plate and help keep you feeling full. Experiment. A ketogenic diet can still be interesting and tasty. You can even make ketogenic pasta, bread, muffins, brownies, puddings, ice cream, etc. Build a plan. It can be hard to find low-carb meals for when you're on the go. As with any diet, it is important to have a plan and go to snacks or meals. Find what you love, experiment until you find the ultimate keto diet for you. Track progress, take photos, measurements and monitor your weight every 3 to 4 weeks. If progress stops, try reducing portion sizes slightly. Replace minerals. Ketosis changes your fluid and mineral balance. For this reason, salt your